Want to unlock the secret to selling out your next event? Let's dive into how to create irresistible promo codes on Eventbrite. First, head to your Eventbrite dashboard and select the event you want to promote. It's as easy as logging in and clicking on the event title. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the marketing section. Click on promo codes within the marketing tab. You'll be taken to the promo codes page. See that big, inviting create a promo code button. Click it. This is where the magic happens. Choose a catchy promo code name that's easy to remember, like early bird. Decide on your discount type, either a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount. Then enter the actual promo code, something like VIP 20 for 20% off. Scroll down to set usage limits. How many times can the code be used? Set start and end dates to create urgency. Most importantly, select which ticket types the code applies to. You might want it for general admission only, for example. Once your code is live, keep an eye on its performance. Eventbrite tracks how many times each code is used and how much revenue it generates, helping you refine your promotional strategies. And that's it. You're now a promo code pro. Start creating codes that drive ticket sales and fill your events. Don't forget to subscribe for more event marketing tips.